everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to get WhatsApp notification for new GoHighLevel leads. So here my objective is that whenever a new lead will be generated in GoHighLevel CRM account, I should receive an instant notification on WhatsApp along with all the details of that same lead. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between GoHighLevel CRM and WhatsApp, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So Pabbly Connect works on two principles, trigger and action. So in trigger, we are going to take GoHighLevel CRM, and in action, I'm going to take WhatsApp Cloud API, with the help of which I'm going to receive WhatsApp notification each time. So, and we are going to connect both of them in order to automate this entire process, and that too without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. To learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to get WhatsApp message for new GoHighLevel leads. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead on my GoHighLevel CRM account, every time I should receive a notification on my WhatsApp along with all the details of that same lead. So in order to automate this entire process, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software, with the help of which I'm going to connect my GoHighLevel account with WhatsApp in such a way that whenever a lead will be generated, I'm going to receive a notification, and that too without any manual efforts. Okay, so this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming here, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I am directly clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create multiple folders over here to save our workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option, which is given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Get WhatsApp notification for new GoHighLevel leads. Okay, so we have given the name. Now after giving the name, I'm going to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So I want to save this workflow in this WhatsApp marketing automation folder. Let's do that, and now let's click on create. As we've done that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. So what are these? As I told you that Pabbly Connect works on trigger and action. So these two are the main concepts or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now here our objective is that whenever we are going to receive a new lead in GoHighLevel, we should receive a WhatsApp notification along with all the details of that lead. So for that, let's suppose we are going to take GoHighLevel CRM in our trigger and WhatsApp Cloud API, through which we want to receive WhatsApp notification each time in our action. So here our action is following what the trigger commands. We can clearly see, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated in GoHighLevel CRM, then only the notification is received on WhatsApp, otherwise not. So after understanding the concept of trigger and action, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application over here, and that will be GoHighLevel CRM. So to connect GoHighLevel CRM, we will have to select lead connector over here. So let's select lead connector v2 as our trigger application. So with the help of lead connector v2, we have to connect GoHighLevel CRM with Pabbly Connect. Okay. Now we will select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. So contact created will be our trigger event over here, because we want that whenever a new contact, that means a new lead, will be created in GoHighLevel CRM, then the response should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response, automatically the workflow should get triggered. Alright, so as we have done that, we can find that a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. We need to follow these instructions step by step to connect our GoHighLevel CRM account with Pabbly Connect. It is given you need to log into your HighLevel account, then you have to go towards account section, go to automation and create a workflow. Select a template of your choice, example start from scratch, and then you have to click on add new workflow triggers. So in our GoHighLevel CRM account, we will first have to create a workflow, and then we have to set up this webhook URL in that workflow, so that whenever a lead will be created, the response should be captured over here. So first of all, let us copy the webhook URL, which is going to act as a bridge for sending the data of leads from GoHighLevel CRM towards Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to take you towards my GoHighLevel CRM account. So this is the contact section of GoHighLevel CRM. From here, left side, we can find the option of automation. Let's select that. And now it is given in the instructions in Pabbly Connect that we have to create a workflow over here. So let's click on this create workflow button, and now we have to select a template. So I'm going to select start from scratch template. I'm going to click on continue. And now here we have to create a workflow. First of all, for creating a workflow, we have to select a trigger. So as we have selected trigger GoHighLevel in Pabbly Connect, similarly, we have to select trigger over here as well. So we will click on this plus sign and we will simply select contact created as our trigger. As we have done that, let's click on save trigger button. So the trigger is created. Now we have to click on this plus sign and we have to add one action over here. So our action will be webhook. So let's select webhook over here because we want to send the response of a new contact which is created with the help of webhook. So here we have selected webhook as the action event. Now we can give the name to our webhook. So here I'm going to give the name as, let's say, new lead. The method will be post over here, and in this field in the URL we have to paste the webhook URL which we have already copied from Pabbly Connect. Done. Now let's click on the save action button and we have saved the action. So now our trigger is contact created and the action is webhook. So whenever a new contact will be created in GoHighLevel CRM, the response of that contact or lead will be sent towards Pabbly Connect with the help of webhook URL. Okay. Now we have to publish this workflow which we have created. So let's turn this publish button on and now we'll click on save. As we have done that, our workflow is saved. So let's just cross this and we'll go back towards workflow section. And here we can find that our workflow is created over here and it is published. So now we'll go back towards Pabbly Connect and here it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission so that the response will be captured over here. So whenever a new lead will be generated in your GoHighLevel CRM account, the response will be captured. This is our objective. Okay. So for example, let's say you have created a landing page for getting the leads, or let's suppose you have added a form in your website through which you are getting the leads in GoHighLevel CRM. Then automatically whenever a lead will be generated, after creating this automation, the response of that lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. But because currently I have not created any landing page or a form to generate the leads, therefore I'm going to show you the response by creating a lead manually. Okay, so we'll go towards contact section. And here I'm going to click on this plus sign to add a new contact. Now I'm going to add all the details given over here in these fields to create a new contact. Let's start with the first name. Because I'm doing a test submission currently, therefore I'm going to enter all the dummy details. Okay. Now let's start with the first name. Let's say the name of the lead will be Smart and the last name will be, let's say, lead, Smart lead. I'm going to enter a random email, smartlead@pabblytudes.com. Here I'm going to select the phone number, let's say mobile, and I'm going to enter a random phone number over here. Done. So I've entered the phone number. Now let's move further. Here we have to select the contact type. So I'm going to select lead over here because I'm creating a lead over here. Okay, so we have selected the contact type and we have entered all the details. Now I'm going to click on save. And we can find that the contact is created just now in GoHighLevel CRM and the contact is lead. The name is given over here as Smart Lead. So let's go and check whether the response is received in Pabbly Connect or not. And yes, here we can find that recently we have received a response. This is workflow name and here the ID of the workflow is given which we have recently created in GoHighLevel CRM. This is the workflow ID. This is the tag, phone number, location name, location ID, all right, and all the other details related to the lead. This is the first name and last name of the lead, full name, email address, the created time of the lead, country, contact type, as well as the contact ID. So because we have received this response over here, that means our connection between GoHighLevel and Pabbly Connect is perfectly successful. Now what is our objective? Our objective is to receive WhatsApp notification whenever a new lead will be generated in GoHighLevel. Therefore, for doing that, I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, I'm going to receive WhatsApp notification every time whenever a new lead will be generated in GoHighLevel. So I'm going to connect WhatsApp Cloud API over here as our action application. Let's select that. And now we'll select the action event. So our action event will be send text message. I want to receive the notification on my WhatsApp in just a simple text message. But in case if you want to receive the notification along with a template, if you want to create a template for receiving a specific notification, then you can also go for selecting send template message as your action event. Now let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a connection with WhatsApp Cloud API account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now, when we have selected add new connection, we also have to provide some details over here, token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. Now, from where we are going to find all these details? For that, first of all, we have to set up our WhatsApp Cloud API account, and then we will find all these details under Meta for Developers. So I'm going to take you towards Meta for Developers. This is the app dashboard of WhatsApp Cloud API under Meta for Developers, and here we will find in the API setup from the left side all the details. Okay, so this is access token, this is phone number ID, and this is WhatsApp business account ID. So if you want to learn full API setup of WhatsApp Cloud API, then you can also go and check a video on our YouTube channel. A specific video is created for this purpose. Okay, now first of all, let us copy the access token from here. We will go back towards Pabbly Connect and paste it over here very quickly. Now the next is phone number ID. We will paste it over here, and at last we have to copy WhatsApp business account ID, and we will quickly paste it over here. Done. So we have pasted all the details correctly. Now let's click on save. And with this, we can find that WhatsApp Cloud API account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further. Here, after building the connection, we have to enter recipient mobile number and message. So on which number you want to send the message. Here our objective is to receive a WhatsApp notification whenever a new lead will be generated in GoHighLevel. So for that, we will have to enter our own phone number over here in this field. So I'm going to enter my own phone number. I have entered my phone number, and now we are going to enter the message which we want to send. So what message you want to receive whenever a new lead will be generated, that you have to enter over here. So I'm going to enter new lead alert. This will be the heading of my message every time, and it is given a new lead is received in GoHighLevel CRM. Here are the details: name, email, phone number. Check this out now. So this is just a basic message which I want to receive along with all the details of the lead which is created in GoHighLevel CRM. Okay, so I'm going to enter the details one by one over here: name, email, and phone number. Now, because we have already received the response from GoHighLevel CRM which contains all the details related to the lead, so we will simply map the data over here. Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given, and when we will scroll down, here are all the details related to the lead. So we want to map first of all the name. Let's select that, and it is mapped. When we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to be replaced. So in this way, whenever a new GoHighLevel lead will be generated, automatically the name is going to be replaced with a new name of a new lead. And in this way, we are going to receive the notification every time with each and every new lead response. And in this way, we are going to receive a new notification on WhatsApp whenever a new lead will be generated in GoHighLevel CRM along with all the new details. Okay, but in case if we will enter the name and other details manually, then the data will become static, and then we will not be able to get the response on WhatsApp with each and every new data. Okay, so in order to automate the entire process of receiving WhatsApp notification, we have mapped the data over here. So whenever we want that data should get replaced automatically in the workflow, there we map the data generally, and when we want that the data should remain same with each and every response, then we type it manually as I have entered this message manually. Okay, so the data which we enter manually becomes static, and that is called as static mapping. Now in the same manner, we are going to map the email as well. So I'm going to search for email, and it has redirected us towards the email of the lead. So let's select that, and it is mapped. Now the next is phone number. Let's simply select the phone number as well. We have mapped that and done. Now when we are going to click on save and send test request button, here we can find that we have received the response. So let's go and check whether we have received this message on WhatsApp or not. And yes, here we can find that we have received the message on WhatsApp: new lead alert. A new lead is received in GoHighLevel CRM. Here are all the details. Okay, so this means that our connection between GoHighLevel CRM and WhatsApp is successful. So let's check this workflow once again. I'm going to create a new contact, that means a new lead in GoHighLevel CRM. And as soon as I will do that, automatically I'm going to receive a WhatsApp notification along with all the new details. So I'm going to click on this add contact button. And here, let's say this time the name of the contact is dummy and the last name is lead. Dummy lead. Here I'm going to enter a random email once again, phone number, and done. Now let's click on save. So the contact is recently created with the name as dummy lead. This is the email dummylead32@pabblytudes.com. So let's go and check on WhatsApp whether we have received the details of this new lead on WhatsApp or not. And yes, here we can find that instantly we have received another message on WhatsApp along with all the new details of the contact or the lead which we have recently added in GoHighLevel CRM. This means that our workflow is running perfectly fine. So in this way, whenever a lead will be generated in GoHighLevel CRM from a landing page of yours or from a particular contact form, then automatically the response of that lead will be captured over here, and as soon as the response will be captured, you will be receiving the WhatsApp notification of all the details of that lead. Alright, so you can very easily create this automation without the requirement of any coding or programming skills, just by following the same steps with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.